One of the most common questions that I get is, Scott, as a technician, how should I set up my call and what do I know what I'm looking at to get the most out of it? This is an important question. I'm Scott Sylvan Bell. I'm coming to you live for HVAC Technician Sales Secrets on a perfect day to talk about sales and a perfect day to talk about you. So here's the thing, how you design your appointment really is your decision. I'm gonna give you my recipe. It doesn't have to be your recipe, but I've trained a lot of technicians and this is the path that I've taken them down. So there is an order of operation depending upon what your responsibility is inside of your organization. So I'm going to start first with if you are like a technician and your job is to repair but also set leads, okay? So here is, like, if I'm going into a call, this is the order that I'm going to take it. A, if appropriate, can we talk about a system? Is there enough damage that we could talk about a system? B, can we talk about ductwork? C, can we talk about insulation? D, can we talk about indoor air quality? Can we talk about an add-on sale? Can we talk about parts, and can we talk about membership? Now, take those 8 things and put them in whatever order that you want, right? You may like, hey Scott, I can't use that order. Fantastic. This is a learning experience for you. You get to put them in whatever order you want. But up at the top is gonna be like heating and air, then parts, then ductwork, then insulation, then add-on sales, then membership, okay? So if you're a technician and you're a repair tech, but you don't necessarily set leads, you could go in there and it could be parts because the company does make money off of parts. It could be ductwork, then insulation, then indoor air quality, then add-on sales, and then a membership, right? Or that membership can float all the way over the top. But like what I would encourage you to do at this point, wherever you're at in your career, is to design out the process that you're going to use. Because if you're going to work off of a checklist, it's going to really help you out. Like you go to a call and you walk in, you're like, okay, there's no opportunity for a system here. Is there opportunity for parts? Nope, there's no opportunity for parts. Is there opportunity for ductwork and insulation? Nope, no opportunity for ductwork and insulation. Is there an opportunity for indoor air quality? Yes, there is. Okay, now I know which conversation I'm going to have when I go talk to the homeowner and say, like, here are all the things that are going on. Not all the time when you go to a home is there the opportunity to sell a system. And I know that there's people out there that say that there are. I'm going to go against it and say that there's not. So you need to build your own playbook. You need to build your own checklist. I've given you a good parameter to start with, and I would encourage you in the chat, underneath this video, add what is your first step. Is it going to be system or is it going to be parts? Because your decision is yours. I can't tell you what to do. Congratulations. At least you're working on building your playbook. You got one thing to do from here, just one thing. Find the subscribe button, click on it. Every time I send out a video, YouTube will say, HVAC Technician Sales Secrets, and on another video, you should watch it, which you should. We'll see you soon.